On April 4th, this picture was taken. Can you tell me what's wrong with the photo?
Senator, you'll have to help me.
Okay.
I've seen this picture before, or a similar picture.
I would hope you could tell me what's wrong, but here I'll give it to you in the interest of time. What's wrong is that the United States of America isn't there. What's wrong is that Iran, Russia, and Turkey, supposedly a NATO ally, who is purchasing an S-400 missile system from Russia in contravention of the mandatory sanctions that this institution passed 98-2 in its law. Turkey is supposed to be our NATO ally who's fighting the same Kurds that we have depended upon to defeat ISIS. These three leaders are engaged in the question of what to do about Syria, and the United States isn't even present. So what's the implications, for example, for our ally, the State of Israel, if a Russia-Turkey-Iran alliance is unchallenged in shaping the outcome of Syria?
Senator, I largely agree with the predicate of your question. We need to have a robust diplomatic effort related to the very set of issues you're describing. They were there for the purpose of discussing how they were going to carve up Syria. That's a rough statement of their mission, but that's what they were there for. The American people need to be represented at that table so that we can be part of that.
So what's our strategy? What's our strategy?
So I'll walk you through what we're trying to accomplish in Syria. It is difficult. I'll concede. It is incredibly complex, and Turkey's entry into Afrin took a already incredibly complex situation and put another twist in the cartwheel. So if you'll bear with me, we have the primary mission that we've been engaged in to defeat ISIS. We did so using a group of men who did great work, and we took the caliphate down, and we ought to be proud of it. There is still work to do. That mission is not yet complete.
Next element of it, I need you to be precise because the